Hey, More Life fam. I hope you guys have been taking care of yourselves, hair, skin, getting that nice summer glow, you feel me? But let's hop straight into my video. So my hair is freshly washed and conditioned straight out the shower. You probably wouldn't even tell because my hair still looks so dry, which is why I wanted to share a moisture routine that I tackle whenever I do a great shampoo and conditioning routine. I go in with this moisturizing routine. So the first thing that I like to do is separate my hair into two sections with a straight back middle part. Then I pin up one side because I want to tackle half of my head at a time. So I prep that ponytail holder and pin up half of my head. So as you can see, half is up and half is still dry. Actually, all of it is still dry. But after I tackle this one section, I want to make sure I part that into two pieces. So I have the top portion and then the bottom piece. I pin up the top piece because I like handling the back business first. You feel me? I like tackling that back of the hair. We all know that's the little challenging part. I go in with this coconut oil hair conditioner by Blue Magic. Honestly, I call it hair grease, but that's the name of it, hair conditioner. I made this beautiful concoction with Jamaican black castor oil coconut. I mixed that together to get this nice yellow texture consistency of grease. But I make sure I grease my scalp after I made those parts. I go in and grease my entire parts that are created. After that, I make sure to grab about a quarter size of grease and then apply that throughout my hair just to help prep my hair and make it more prone to accepting moisture. I go in and brush that grease throughout my hair because I want to evenly distribute it throughout my hair. Then I grab my Tangle Taming Beautiful Textures leave-in conditioner. I get a handful of this stuff because, believe it or not, my hair drinks that up like it is an adult at a football game and all they had was Capri Suns. So you know you need about like 3 of them things to stay hydrated. That's how my hair drinks this stuff up. So I apply that leave-in conditioner throughout my hair and I go back in with the regular schmegular brush to make sure that my hair is evenly distributed with that conditioner. Then I grab my white girl brush. I really don't know the name of that brush, but I call it a white girl brush, and I detangle my hair with it. And now I am able to actually run my fingers through my hair to kind of part it out into sections. Don't worry about these parts being neat. Literally, all we're trying to do is make sure our scalp and hair get some sort of moisture locked into it. So I'm not concerned about the parts. I just do little finger parts and grease my scalp throughout that entire back section. So it has been detangled. I am able to comb it out, run my fingers through my scalp, and make sure I apply that beautiful concoction, that grease concoction. And then plait it up. I call these plaits, some people call them braids, but make sure you braid your hair up or plait it up to retain that moisture as you tackle the rest of your head. So one section is complete. I have 3 sections to go. And y'all, believe it or not, this fast forwarding mechanism that I use is really deceiving because this took quite some time. Okay, like literally this is a full 101 session with your hair. I make sure to grab a dime size of grease though and apply it to my edges because we all know your edges are prone to breakage and losing moisture. So after I apply that dime size grease to my edges, I went through and greased my scalp for the top portion or the top section of my hair. And then I grabbed a regular brush and now I'm just brushing that grease throughout my hair to make it evenly distributed. Grabbing that beautiful Textures leave-in conditioner and then applying it to my hair because I'm telling y'all, my hair drinks that up like it's a juicy Capri Sun. I need like 3 handfuls of that stuff. But I apply beautiful textures to my hair until my hair feels pretty damped and moisturized. I go back in with a regular schmegular brush brush that leave-in conditioner throughout my hair. Make sure, because it is also a detangler, so I can go back in with my white girl brush and detangle those curls. So my hair is fully detangled, it is hydrated, and it is also, even my scalp, it is treated. So now I can plait it up in a braid, and that allows my hair to retain that moisture as I tackle the other half of my head. Whew, and let me tell y'all, I low-key needed a break, which is why I took this little moment to myself, because this was hard work, y'all. It don't come easy. So you get the gist of it. Now I'm tackling the second half of my hair, doing the same thing, parting that half of my hair into two sections, a top section and the back section. Pin up the top section so you can focus on the back section by itself. You have a new part, so what does that mean? You need to apply some more grease to that scalp. Make sure your scalp stays hydrated, because a healthy scalp produces healthy hair. Grab a quarter size of grease. I almost forgot to show y'all. Apply it to throughout your hair, especially your ends, so rub that through. Go back in with a regular schmegular brush and brush that grease out throughout your hair so it can be evenly distributed. Grab that beautiful Textures Tangle Taming leave-in conditioner. I'm telling you, get a handful. Make sure it's fully moisturized and damp. You want it to feel very damp, very moisturized. Y'all see them tangles? They about to be gone. With this stuff, it smells so good. Go in with your white girl brush. I start from brushing the ends first, tackling the ends, and then I can rake out from the top of my hair to from the roots of my hair to the ends. Now I am greasing that section, that back section. And I am able to go back in with the white girl brush because I just want to make sure it is fully detangled. I'm able to run my fingers through my hair so that way I can plait it. And this ponytail holder, I swear, they be getting stuck in my hair. Finally, I have 3 sections done. I am almost at the final stage. I see the light at the end of the tunnel, y'all. Final piece, okay? So grab about a dime size of grease. Apply it to your edges because our edges are prone to losing moisture the quickest. And it is prone to breakage. So apply that grease throughout your hair. Brush it with the regular schmegular brush so the grease can be evenly dispersed. Grab that beautiful Textures leave-in conditioner. Apply it to your hair. Go back in with the regular brush to make sure that leave-in conditioner is applied throughout your hair. Grab your white girl brush, start from the ends and detangle it from the ends on upward. And now we can unravel our hair to see the final piece and the final product of, this hair care treatment moisturized routine. However, if you happen to go to bed that night, that's also a great protective style. But let's see the final results. Moment of truth, y'all. Ooh, look at them curls. She is bad, okay? You can't mess with her, period. Look at them curls. They are highly moisturized, bouncy, vibrant. And another secret trick of mine, I like to use air dry, y'all. I don't care what nobody says. The best hair comes from air dried hair. But thank you for watching today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.